Okay guys, so earlier, to calculate the variable overhead expenditure, okay, for let's say here, we take it here. Okay, we're using the this formula, the budgeted flex variable overheads, okay, minus with the actual variable overhead incurred. So here, how to find the budgeted flex variable overhead is the actual hours, you multiple with the standard cost of variable overhead, okay, variable overhead rate, okay, and then you minus with the actual variable overhead. So actually, okay, the PFOH, okay, is something that we need to identify. So here, okay, I put it actual hours, okay, the 17 hours multiple which 8 ringgit. So 8 ringgit here, okay, if you look at the equation, so okay, you look at the equation, so there it says, okay, the overheads variables, okay, is 8 ringgit, but this 8 ringgit, okay, this amount is for standard cost per t-shirt, okay, it's not per hour, okay, but okay, we need the standard cost per hour of variable overhead, okay, so that's why, okay, from this 8 ringgit, okay, we to identify per hour, okay, is 8 divided by 2 hours, okay, because the basis is based on direct labor hours, right? So 8 divided by 2 is a 4 ringgit. Okay, same which are fixed overheads. Okay, the 4 ringgit and 50 cent. Okay, this amount is per t-shirts. So we have to identify per hour. Okay, so 4.5 divided by 2. Alright, so that is 4 per hour. So here I'm going, okay, I want to correct it. So instead of 8 ringgit, okay, so the real one, the correct one is, okay, the 7,000, okay, times which, sorry, okay, so here, okay, I already correct, okay, the calculation. So the actual hours is 17 hours, okay, multiple which the standard rate for variable overhead is 4 ringgit per hour, okay, and then you minus which the what we call the actual overhead incurred. So here, okay, 17. So 17 multiples which are 4 ringgit, okay, you will get RM 68,000. Okay, minus RM 60,000. So here the answer, okay, is 8,000. Sorry. Gosh. So the answer is 8,000. Okay, so 8,000, is it favorable or unfavorable? So the budgeted flex, okay, the amount of budgeted flex is more than the actual, so it is a favorable. Okay, alright, so next. Okay, next the question asks you to calculate the variable overhead efficiency. Okay, so the formula is, okay, the VOAR, okay, multiple with the difference between actual hours minus standard hour. Okay, the VOAR is 4 ringgit. Okay, minus with the difference, okay, between actual hours is 17,000 minus standard hours is 18,000. So here 4, okay, times with 1,000, so here we get 4,000. So is it favorable or unfavorable? Since the actual, okay, hours fall within, okay, the standard hours range, so it is favorable. Alright, so that's it for the variable overhead efficiency. Okay, next. Alright, okay, the question asks you to find, G is fixed overhead, okay, expenditure. So the formula is BFO, okay, the budgeted fixed overheads minus with the actual fixed overhead. So how are you going to find the BFO? Okay, the formula is PQ, okay, times with the standard rate, okay, minus AFO. So here, okay, BQ, okay, represent the basis. Okay, the basis quantity of the fixed OH, okay, the fixed overhead. So we know the fixed overhead is based on direct labor hours, right? So here, okay, to produce 10,000 unit, okay, of t-shirt, okay, the company, okay, needs to incur, alright, okay, 20 direct labor hours. Okay, so to produce 10,000 units of t-shirt, so the direct labor hours, okay, that required, okay, is 20 hours. Okay, so from these 20 hours, okay, we times with the standard rate for fixed overhead. So the BFO is equals to the basis that we calculated, okay, the 20 hours times which, okay, 2 hours. Is it 2 hours? Wait, sorry, not 2 hours, but instead of rate, okay, the fixed overhead rate. So here, okay, the RM 4.5, okay, this is per t-shirt, so we want per hour, so divide by 2 hours, so the 20, okay, times RM 2.25. Okay, so here, okay, 20 times 2.25, so you will get the BFO is RM 45. Okay, so here you put, okay, the amounts that you get, 45, and then the actual is RM 45. Okay, so if you look at equation, okay, so the actual fixed overhead is 45. So here, okay, the budgeted fixed overheads and the actual fixed overhead is equals, okay, the amount is same, so the answer is 0. Okay, so it falls within, okay, within the budgeted overhead. Okay, so it's in between, okay, it's favorable and unfavorable. Okay, but actually, okay, since it's within the budgeted overhead, so it's favorable. All right, even though the amounts, okay, is same. Okay, and then the last is, okay, they want us to find the fixed overhead efficiency. Okay, so the formula is FOAR. All right, so this is the standard rate for fixed overhead, okay, times with the actual difference between, okay, differences between actual hours minus standard hours. So the rate, okay, the standard rate for fixed overheads, okay, as we calculate is 2.25 per hours. So we take, okay, 2.25, okay, in bracket, okay, 17 minus 18,000, so RM 225, okay, so you will get the answer is 2,250. Alright, that is the fixed overhead efficiency. Okay, is it favorable or unfavorable? So if you look here, okay, the actuals fall within, okay, less than the standard hours, so it is a favorable. Alright, so that's it for question 2. Okay, just and nice and berhad. Alright, thank you.